Okay, good morning, Gab Peras from Sports Corner PHK. Sir Jesse naman muna tayo. Sir Jesse, aside from the panel discussions from some of the prominent names with regards na dito sa golf sa bansa, ano ba ang mga aasahan natin? Especially, makikita natin yung mga iba't ibang mga brands, local brands, foreign brands ng golf balls, golf clubs, golf apparel, etc. na i-showcase na lang iba't ibang mga products sa ating golfing community.
Thank you, Fred. So yes, you're right. Actually, not just and I've been talking about the coaches and the activities, no, but I do wanna give a shout out and appreciate the brands that helped us really plan the event and really hopefully make it successful and really support us is um, Pack Sports, of course, by Sir Jay Esquadro. Also helping us is J10 Sports, who brings in Strixon by Sir Rafi Mabua and Sir Arnel Paras. And also Empire Golf will be there. So we're bringing a lot of the big brands into the Golf Con, and they'll not only give us a demo of their new products in line, but also they will have a sale, which a lot of golfers are looking forward to some of their products and apparels, you know. And there are a lot of different apparels coming in. Speaking of apparels, after the opening, we actually have a fashion show during GolfCon. In that fashion show, there will be several brands that will be featured: Adidas, Puma, K&G, Booyah, and Callaway. So they'll give us a show of their new line of golf apparel.
Okay, apart from that, meron kayong ilang mga exhibitors from the golf courses. Ang balita natin, puro mga exclusive discounts ang makikita natin. Mababang presyo ng membership fee para sa iba't ibang mga golf courses from Luzon up until Mindanao. So, inaasahan natin na magiging patok ito sa ating mga golfers, whether it's an amateur, recreational, o nangangarap na maging membro sa national team o pro circuit.
Okay, so for players, yes, since the calendar events for qualifying rounds will be there. But membership on the golf courses, you'd be happy to know actually we have a official broker, which is PGA Club Shares, is the official club shares broker for GolfCon. So they will be there. They'll give you offers of what are the memberships available to you if you want to become a member. For tournaments, yes, the tournaments are also there. For deals, we actually have in partnership again with the DOT, we have different tour operators who are going to be present and have a booth, and they will be able to choose from different golf trips around locally. And again, we're trying to promote the different golf destinations in the country. So not just for people who are coming inbound, but also to the local golf market. And one of the reasons why we've also made it this different, because it's being held in Marriott Grand Ballroom, in part with the support of the Newport World Resorts Group, because their international customers are also interested in getting to play different courses in the Philippines. So this is a venue for their market as well.
And last question po you bago yung taga DOT. May plano ba kayong magdala itong GolfCon sa Visayas and Mindanao in the near future?
Yes, I will say it out loud that, you know, is there a plan? Yes, there is a plan. So please watch out for the next GolfCon 2026. We're already planning it. We've already earmarked a venue, but so as not to preempt it, we'll make that announcement after the GolfCon this year.
We might see you on Sunday. Magko-cover kami dyan. Pero
Yes.
si Sir Lyle, isang tanong na lang before my end. Ano ang mga efforts na ginagawa ng DOT to promote niya yung iba't ibang mga golf courses and even to support na rin yung iba't ibang mga bagong golf courses sa iba't ibang lugar na sa Pilipinas to maximize itong potential ng Pilipinas na maging isa sa mga top tourist destinations when it comes to golf tourism. Good morning, thank you.
Well, actually, one is participating in these kinds of events. Partnering with the people from the golf industry. So that is, I think, the best way to actually promote our properties is to get into partnership with the private sector to help market those properties out. So we look forward in doing more collaborations, and we look forward in participating more on events that can actually market the country out. So
Okay.
Sir, you mentioned earlier, there are only 3 courses na public. Ano yung mga golf courses dito na for public?
well, when you say public, it means that it is not managed by the private sector.
Mhm.
So we have is the one in Intramuros. We have